What brand or flavor of whiskey will we all be toasting with on Christmas and New Year's?
It depends if I get to the liquor store or not. I was looking into that recently. There's not a whole the ones that I want, the Shield Egg and a few other ones, aren't really available local. I may have to make a road trip. What are we gonna toast with on New Year's? I don't know, Eric. What are you drinking New Year's Eve? What's the one that you got that you're gonna break out?
Well, I mean, you see, I'm a little bit of a different circumstance. I will be toasting with mead starting on the 21st. But for New Year's Eve, for like a Hogmanay thing, currently I'm kind of really liking the Macallan. You know, I got that bottle from us doing a try here, and I've really liked it ever since. So it's and it's one my wife doesn't mind also, which doesn't hurt. So yeah, probably gonna be that.
I had somehow I acquired, and not sure how, but I ended up with a bottle of Glenfiddich 18, and I also have Glenfiddich 12. Glenfiddich, forget how to say it, but anyway, I had a 12 and an 18, and I was just hanging out, like, I'll drink this one tonight. And I was drinking the 18, had a single glass of the 18, and I was like, oh, I really, really like this. And then a couple days later, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna try the 12, and I did not like it nearly as much. So I started shopping for the 18, and I was just like, damn, that's expensive. Okay, I may have to suffer with the 12 for a little bit.
I think that's where I'm at, basically. That's why I'm at.
Yeah.
This year I need to take it easy, money-wise.
Anything over the $100 mark in Scotch feels a bit of a luxury to me, like even more so than most.
Yeah.
I would probably say I'm digging the Oban recently. I'm digging the Shield Egg. I'm kind of come off of the peaty a touch. Lagavulin's always a good one though. So somewhere in there, Jura or not Jura, the Dalmore. I do enjoy that one.
Now you mentioned it. Yeah, now you mentioned it. We had Dalmore that guy gave us at Celtic Classic a few years ago. I really liked that. I would invest in that one again.
Yeah, well, that one was quite an investment.
Yeah, that's why I say invest. Yeah.
I think there was the Dalmore 25, which was a hell of a gift that we got. Shout out to Andy Davidson, the guy whose family owns Glencairn Glasses. So anyway, yeah, I'd say, yeah, one of those is what I would break out for New Year's and the holidays, as it were. Mr. Mac, do you have anything in particular that you're looking to break into in the holidays?
Bed.
Spoken like a true parent.
Sleep. Lots of sleep.
I feel you. Man. Yep.
Now,
that's about it.
Bed or couch after dinner?
Both. Really both.
You need your early evening nap, and then you need your full evening sleep. So yeah, both. Agreed.
I think for my house, it'll depend on who's Zooming who. It'll basically be what we're doing with extraneous family members or people in our community that we're trying to hang out with. So yeah, but definitely want to get some rest in there somewhere somehow. So it's been a year.
Never enough. Yeah. Yes, it has. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and ring the bell. If you want to check out some other videos we've done on whiskey, check out this playlist over here. If you want to hear us talk about New Year's traditions, check out this video.